I do nothing till I hear action. I wasn't sure I wanted to be a writer. I mean, I wanted to be so many things, and a writer was one of them. I wanted to be an actor. I wanted to be a writer. I wanted to be a lawyer, but I never could go to law school, so that was... I wasn't interested in going over papers and briefs the way lawyers must, but I had seen a movie when I was a kid, and there was a lawyer who made this great speech to the jury, and he freed a man who had been convicted of something or about to be, and I felt he was such a hero. And I fell into writing accidentally, really. There was a job open at a company that was owned by the husband of a cousin of mine, and I heard that they were looking for an assistant. So I went up and I applied for the job, and I must have been the only one who applied because I got the job. And I thought it would be a temporary job. It was for a comic book company, and I had never thought of writing comics. And I began to enjoy working with the artists, and before I knew it, it was a good job. I was having fun, and little by little, I'd like to think because of some of the work we did at Marvel, little by little, people began to have more respect for comics. We got very little fan mail, but what we got was written in crayon usually. After a while, it was written in pencil. Later on, we got fan mail written in ink. And still later, the letters were typed. And then the return address would be from a high school, and later from colleges. So we were managing to upgrade our readership. And the more we had more intelligent and well-educated people reading our books, the more I enjoyed my job. To me, the human aspect of superheroes has always been perhaps the most important part. By that I mean, okay, we assume your superhero might be extra strong, or might be able to fly or run as fast as a comet. But unless you care about the superhero's personal life, you're just reading a shallow story. Just because a person has a superpower doesn't mean he might not have the same personal problems that you or I might have. It's like other men like to play golf, so they play golf every chance they can. So you don't say to them, how come you're playing golf today? You played last week. It was the same with me. To me, it is such fun creating characters, writing stories. It's an exciting life, and when you do something that you know the fans seem to enjoy, that gives you such satisfaction, you don't want to stop. You know, I guess one person can make a difference. Enough said.